Why are you guys going out before 11 o'clock?
For these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m.
Guys are fucking stupid as hell.
When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Cagliostro, Noble, DeKalb, Woodland, Flint, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Holmes, Grant, Bradford, Glasgow, and Greene. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Albany, and Van Wert. In Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to regular programming. Now here.
Ha!
Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning. Mostly cloudy with a select chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Sun showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Oh!
Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Test of the National Weather Service 70% warning alarm. Friday, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. The forecast southwest or west.
What?
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ, 93 Crydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are...
Yeah, my thing is, are they going to resend it as a live voice? Because KIG 86 went live voice.
Warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, DeFrance, Tinkoff, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 93 Crydersville, Ohio.
Whoa! No way they're doing live voice.
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93, Crydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Test of this signal and receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Ogway, Defiance, Hancock, Martin, Logan, Mercer, Paul, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte.
Stop.
This concludes the weekly test of the weather radio station WXJ 93, Clarksville, Ohio.
Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure will provide for dry conditions through the rest of the week. Temperatures will moderate through the end
They
of the
just
week, with
fucking
several
did
wet
that.
regions returning by this weekend. Now here is the official. Listening area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Intensity of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The radio warning alarm. During tests of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for associated watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, San Joseph, Elkhart, Lorraine, Savannah, Starr, Marshall, Cuyahoga, Noble, DeKalb, Woodland, Howard, Miami, Wallace, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Duluth, Berkeley, Glasscock, and Boyd, Austin, Ohio, Williams, Colton, Defiance, Hammond, Albany, Ward, Alicia, Darien, San Joseph, Mercer, and Oakdale. For more information, see the webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on No Weather Radio under local information. We now return to regular programming.